St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Madison County in southwestern Illinois, northern St. Louis City in east central Missouri, central St. Charles County, northeastern St. Louis County, until 4 p.m. At 3:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Maryland Heights, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near University City, Maryland Heights, Hazelwood, Creve Coeur, Overland, St. Anne, Bridgeton, Berkeley, Ladue, and Olivet around 3:25 p.m. Slower event, Ferguson, Jennings, Delwood, Normandy, Northwoods, Hillsdale, Cool Valley, Pagedale, and Pine Lawn around 3:30 p.m. St. Louis, Bellefontaine Neighbors, Blackjack, Riverview, Spanish Lake, Moline Acres, Floridal Hills, and Castle Point around 3:35 p.m. Madison and Glasgow Village around 3:40 p.m. Other locations in the path of a severe thunderstorm include Granite City, Pontoon Beach, Hartford, Edwardsville, and South Roxana. This includes Interstate 70 in Missouri between exits 227 and 231. This also includes Scott Joplin Historic Site, Confluence State Park, First Missouri State Capitol Historic Site, and Horseshoe Lake State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.